Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing what I pack for my hospital bag. A lot of you guys requested this video, so I decided that I'm gonna share with you everything I'm taking. This is also a good excuse for me to actually finish packing because right now I have one more week to go. I'm 39 weeks today. No, not today. What? I'm past 39 weeks. I feel like I'm on week 75. I have to actually really be prepared because I packed this a week ago and then I kept taking out things out of it. So let me just show you what I packed. I'm gonna start with showing you what I packed for myself, and then I'm gonna show you what I packed for the baby that hopefully will come soon. First things first, starting from the beginning, is underwear. But not just underwear, super sexy underwear like this one. This is actually what they give you in the hospital. I still have these, I kept them. I'm gonna take this, and it's basically these kind of underwear where they just like don't press on your stomach or any areas that might be really delicate and gentle. So I have 2 of these, and they're probably gonna give me more at the hospital. Then very important is to bring the biggest pads you've ever seen in your life. I have these ones. They're probably like this size. You want it to really cover everything, and you have to change them quite a bit. So I don't think I have enough, but again, they give it to you in the hospital just kind of in case. Then I'm bringing with me my breastfeeding bras. So I have this sports bra that you can just undo and then you can breastfeed the baby. So I'm gonna take these. I know that people like take kind of delivery gowns or something, which is I guess like a dress you can wear when you deliver, but honestly they give you like the hospital dress or whatever, and that's good enough for me, like, because you don't care. Honestly, you don't care, and I don't have anything that I'm okay with being ruined. So I'm gonna be delivering in that gown, the hospital gown. And then I brought myself this just silk pajamas that I can change into. These are very big and roomy, so it will be easy for me to wear. Also, it is a button down, so in case I need to feed, I can just unbutton it, and I have my breastfeeding bra, and we're good to go. So this is what I'm planning to wear after I give birth. And then I also brought my leaving the hospital outfit, which is kind of just like this set. It's made out of wool. It's very nice. It's really gentle, and again, it's really big and roomy, so it's not gonna be uncomfortable. I made the mistake last year to bring like tights, and that was so uncomfortable. So you definitely want to make sure that you bring things that like don't press on your skin and don't feel ugh. Then I'm bringing this. I don't know if you guys seen it in some of my videos, but this is actually a humidifier that I bought for the kids, so they have it in the room. It's really small, really compact, and easy to carry. I am big into aromatherapy now, so I wanted to bring this with me that I can just put in the room to make me relax. And I'm bringing this Mother and Baby by Eve Taylor. It's aromatherapy. It's just kind of a concoction of different essential oils that just help you relax and just feel better. So I'm planning to have this beside my bed and just calm me down. Then I have my toiletry bag, and all I have in there is headbands to make sure that my hair is up. I have some cotton pads that I can use, rose water to freshen up my skin and just to hydrate. I have a deodorant with me. I have this travel size cleanser in case I want to take care of my skin. Not that I don't know if I'll care too much about that, but just in case, to wash my face. Then I brought my oil. That's all I'm planning to put on my skin in case people are gonna come visit. All I have is concealer, I have eyebrow pencil, and I have this lip balm that I can put on my lips to give a little color, and on my cheeks. And then the other things is just body oil. I always ask for extra toothbrush sets from every hotel I go to, and I like take them with me. And for these type of occasions, when I go to either short vacations or when I go, you know, like give birth or something. I have these with me so I don't have to pack like a whole thing. So this is just toothpaste, toothbrush, and that's it. So this is it for my toiletry bag. I'm also obviously getting a hair comb, a hairbrush, oh, and a really cozy pair of socks. Probably just like I'm gonna bring a few more pairs, and in case I need to walk somewhere, I'm gonna just wear these around because you ain't going anywhere. Okay, I'm gonna have Uber Eats on my phone. Gary will have Uber Eats on his phone. It's gonna give me everything that I need and want and crave. And that's it. Basically the only trips you're taking is to the bathroom and back. And then for the baby, we're bringing diapers. It's newborn. We're bringing wipes. We're bringing bottles. To be honest with you, the only thing that I'm so scared of, it's not even the actual like labor and delivery, it's breastfeeding. I had a really bad experience with both kids breastfeeding. It was really bad, and I got an infection with both, and I had like antibiotics in my system. It was a whole thing. So this time I'm definitely going to try to breastfeed, especially the first milk that comes in, which is the colostrum, which I think is really vital for the child to have. But I'm also bringing bottles with me and formula to make sure that I'm not gonna drive myself to a point where I'm so like anxious and frustrated about breastfeeding. And then I'm just bringing things like socks. Oh my god, it's so small. Look how small it is. And receiving blankets for burping or anything like it. We're bringing a bunch of onesies to change. They poop all the time, so you have to change them quite a bit. Just little outfits. Gentle cloths if it's for cleaning the face or anything like that. A lot of people bring like their own pillows from home, but they provide you pillows there, so I'm not gonna bring any pillows. But I am gonna bring a breastfeeding pillow. So it's this round circle. I haven't found it yet, but I will. And you can just have the baby here, so you don't have to like hold it, and it just gives you neck pains. And this is it, you guys. That's all I'm bringing to the hospital. I hope it answered all your questions. I hope that by the time this video is out, this baby is out as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Wish me luck, and I can't wait to start this new journey of life as a mother of 3 with you guys.